Hey friends, Patrick Engasser here, your blind spot business navigator. I help business owners and entrepreneurs navigate around the blind spots in their business to the success they dream of. So a question I get asked a lot as a coach is, Patrick, how do I get to the next level? So I've had success already in my business, and the reason I'm hiring you as a coach is because I'm ready to take this thing to the next level. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in just a second. Before I do that, if you find yourself getting value from these videos, if you could smash that subscribe button and be a part of my channel, that would be awesome, and I'd really appreciate it. So to answer that question, I always tell people the one thing that you have to do is become more than what you are right now. So if you want to get to the next level, if you want to take this thing up a notch and get from where you are, which is, hey, I've had some success, but I need to take this thing up in a few notches, you can't get to where you want to go by being the person you are today. And I know that sounds strange, but you actually need to become more. You need to believe that you're already where you need to be or where you want to end up in order to get there. You have to believe that it's possible. One of the biggest things that holds people back is they can't get themselves around the obstacle in their mind that, okay, I've been producing $2 million a year in my business, now I need to take it to 5 million. Their brain doesn't enable them, their subconscious mind doesn't enable them to believe they can do $5 million because they have never done it before and they don't really know what to do. And the what holds them back when really it's the why that they need to focus on, right? Why do I want to get there? And then who can I talk to? Who can I work with? How do I find somebody who's done it before already to get me there? And that's why hiring a coach is so important. It's why I've invested thousands and thousands of dollars over the last 12 years in coaches that I've worked with, even as I've had success in business. Long after I was earning a six-figure income in business, I was still working with a coach. I'm still working with a coach to this day. So it's not the same coach I started out with, and it's also, we're not talking about the same things that we were when I started my business. And that'll be the same thing with you when you're working with a coach or a mentor. When you get to the first area of success in your business, where you get to that first checkpoint, say, okay, this is the area where I was concerned I couldn't get to. Now I'm here. Now what do I do to get to the next level? That same mindset that got you from point A to point B is not the same mindset that's going to be able to get you from point B to point C. Yes, you're going to have to do a lot of the same things, just on a higher level, but there's a different shift in your mindset that needs to happen to get you to that next level. That's what a coach can do. One of the biggest reasons to hire a coach, hire a professional mentor, hire someone who's been there before you have, is that they can help you with their experience get to where they are. Right? If they're where you want, if you want to get to a certain place, you got to find someone who's already been there. If you want to jump on a trip to Hawaii, talk to somebody who's been there already, right? That's why people hire travel agents. I'm not saying that that's what you need to do if you're going to travel, but you at least want to talk to somebody who's been to Hawaii before, right? So you know where to go when you're there so you can have a good time. So you know the things that you shouldn't do or the things you want to avoid so you don't get stuck in traffic in Honolulu, right? But if you've never been there before, you don't know those things. So it's more than just saying opening up a business book. That's nice. That's important. Keep learning always. I'm not suggesting you don't do those things. It's more than just hiring a coach who can say, well, I can teach you strategies about success. Well, that's great, but that's not going to help you get to where you want to go. You need to find someone who's already been where you want to go or is already there now so they can take you from that 2 million to that 5 million so that they can say, oh, you want to recruit 20 people a year? You want to recruit 30 people a year? You want to retail or direct sell this amount of business per year? How can we do that? How can we move this much product to an end consumer and help them change their lives with the products that you have? If you haven't done that before, find somebody who has. Doesn't have to be specifically in your business or your business system, but it has to be somebody who's done the same thing that you have on some level. That's the person who can coach you to the next level. Because there's a reason why Tiger Woods has a golf coach. There's a reason why Tom Brady is a quarterback coach. There's a reason why Michael Jordan had a coach. It wasn't because they weren't good at what they were already doing. It's that they were looking for someone to help them tweak just a little bit here or a little bit there who'd already done what they were looking to do. Maybe Michael Jordan had more talent, obviously, than the coaches who were coaching him. But they could tweak little aspects of his game to get things to the next level. And that's what a coach or a mentor can do to you. So know where you want to go have some kind of a roadmap as to why, how you want to get there. But more importantly, find someone who's already there in your business and encourage them to be a mentor. Or if they're not in your business, hire them. If they don't have any financial incentive to help you within your business, then hire them, pay them the money that, invest in them, pay them the money that they're looking for in order to say, hey, I want to get to where you're going. What would it take for us to work together? And I'm telling you, that's what's going to get you to where you want to go, is that shift in mindset that coach, that mentor can bring you. I'm Patrick Engasser. I'm your Blind Spot Business Navigator. Thanks for joining me. I help entrepreneurs get around the blind spots in their business to the success they dream of at that next level. If you heard anything you liked in this video, if you'd like to get more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, or I'd love to hear from you if you have any questions or if there's any way I can serve you personally. That's patrick@patrickengasser.com is my email, patrick@patrickengasser.com. Make it a great day. Make it an impactful day. Stay grateful, and we'll talk real soon.